Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? So I made this yummy healthy ice cream and I decided to share with you. I have some ripe bananas here. I'll peel off the back and I'm going to cut them into little chunks into a freezer safe plate. And I'm going to send it to the freezer for up to 2 hours. And this is 2 hours later. The bananas are already frozen and I'll send this to my blender. You can also use your food processor, and I brought in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and we are going to mix this together. We are going to blend this. I use the first option so that it doesn't blend so smoothly immediately. You can always use as much or less cocoa powder or bananas as you want. It's totally up to you. First, I serve this as it is. You can enjoy that, but I sent mine to the freezer for up to 2 hours for it to get frozen so that I can scoop it with my ice cream scoop. Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. This ice cream is healthy and comes in handy, especially during the summer periods. You don't have to feel guilty when taking this ice cream. It's completely healthy for you. Thank you to all my subscribers. You all make my day worthwhile. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos and get amazing content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.